The meaning of plants, hellebores. In some cultures, hellebores symbolise plant alchemy, banishment, a cure for insanity, exorcism, mental healing, increased intelligence, invisibility and protection. The ancient Greek word for hellebore, helleboros, is made up of two different words meaning to injure and food, as most species are poisonous. Pliny the Elder has a bizarre claim about hellebores, that if an eagle saw you digging one up, the eagle would cause your death. He also said it was best to draw a circle around the hellebore, turn to the east and offer a prayer before digging one up. However, this was not to be attempted on cloudy days. The connection between hellebores and invisibility is thought to come from the herbalist Maud Grieve, who in her 1931 book on herbalism said that powdered hellebore could be thrown into the air or thrown onto the ground and then walked on to make you become invisible. She hasn't been seen since for comment. When the ancient Greek army had the city of Kira under siege in 585 BC, it is thought that the hellebore plant was used to poison the water source which entered the city and made the defenders so weak with diarrhea that they couldn't fight back when attacked, and the city fell. Thank you for watching this short video about the meaning of hellebores. If you enjoyed it, why not click on the video or the playlist which is showing on screen now for more videos about the meaning of plants.